The rest of the people use Illustrator for designing, but today we are going to make a game and make a kitchen simulator in Illustrator, and it's very easy. Very easy. Very easy. Well, you are now seeing my friend who wants to cook meat in this kitchen, but she has to chop the meat first, just like this. And now she has to put the pan on the stove and put some oil in it. We have to put the meat in it. Then we let it cook, and at the end we put a little salt and pepper in it. Now we have to put the meat in a plate and add lettuce and whatever we want.